How to install a Soleus Air saddle window air conditioner. Carefully open the box with a utility blade or a knife. Remove the instructions and the contents on top of the air conditioner. All the parts needed are located underneath the air conditioner. Remove those next. Prepare and measure window. Fits window openings 24 inches to 48 inches and 16 inches high. Unscrew the supports to the approximate width of the windowsill. Attach foam mounting blocks on the center of the windowsill to support the saddle AC. Then remove adhesive and press firmly. Gently slide the saddle AC over the windowsill and position it at the center of the window. Use the adjustable supports to secure the saddle AC to the outside wall, ensuring a 1/4 inch pitch downward towards the outside. Attach window slider brackets on either side of the AC where the window sash meets the saddle AC when closed. Do this on both sides. Now the window sliders can be installed on either side of the saddle AC. Attach the foam sealer along the entire length of the window sliders and saddle AC where the window sash meets the saddle AC when closed. Close the window, then plug in the unit, then power on. Installation is complete. The window is fully functional while the saddle AC is installed.